said keep going.
Not behind your friend.
That's not my friend.
Red Ford focus, you stop too.
Oh, this is so bad.
I know.
Oh, shit.
Evening.
How are you doing today, officer?
Officer Bishop is Compton.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got your driver's license proof insurance on you?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, taking pictures of racing and stuff?
No, we're not taking pictures. Actually,
What's the camera for then?
we run a YouTube channel.
Right. Street racing channel?
Oh, no.
Okay.
We just build cars, you know, just a hobby.
Gotcha.
All right, here's my license. I'm gonna grab my insurance out of here.
Do you have any idea how fast you're going just now?
Actually, it's in kilometers an hour, so I'm
How
not.
many kilometers an hour do you think you're going?
Probably around like 70 kilometers an hour.
I don't think so.
You don't think?
No.
How fast?
Probably closer to...
So that's like.
You have your insurance or no?
I'm looking for it. Sorry, it's a new car.
It's insured, so.
It is insured. I don't know. Yes, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, like straight up, we don't know who he is. He just pulled up to us.
They just pulled up and he started revving, and I was like, okay.
So.
You want the racing stuff?
Yes, sir.
Alright, just have a second, I'll be right back.
Okay, yes, sir.
Dude, he got you slowing down.
Street racing is bad, kids.
We just got pulled over doing an alleged 100 kilometers an hour. And Brennan goes, well, honestly, I don't really know how fast that is.
What kind of ticket do you guys think we're gonna get?
Dude, I don't know. The good thing is there's no handcuffs at the moment.
At the moment.
So, oh, this is so bad. He's like, you guys run a street racing YouTube channel? There's actually really nothing illegal on there. I think Brennan here might have to start a GoFundMe for this ticket he's about to incur. Oh, shit.
Got my insurance here.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
thank you.
Okay, you are receiving a citation today for the speed, okay? If I give
Yes,
you a
sir.
sign right there in the yellow box,
Oh,
finger,
yeah.
it's not an admission of guilt, just probably stick there waiting for it.
Yes, sir.
Here's your
All
copy
right.
of your citation. You've got until February 16th to contact the court. That's their information right there.
Okay.
There's your driver's license.
All right,
back.
thank you.
You'll wait till I'm done with him, you'll be free to go.
Dude, you got off so easy. You are lucky.
We got super lucky. Once again.
Yep.
With Keller PD.
Yep. Shout out to Keller PD for hooking us up with no jail time.
Yeah,
Much
okay.
appreciated.
So, how should we explain this? Cruising,
Yeah.
not looking for a street race, just literally cruising in the 240.
Yep.
We got this Ford Focus RS. You can tell it has a tune on it. It's got maybe some ECU stuff done to it. It had two-step, anti-lag, you know, the whole 9 yards, like tuning-wise. And he pulls up next to us, and of course me, I'm driving the 240, of course I'm gonna race him. Exactly. So I'm like, all right, let's go. So we do a couple pulls, maybe some like 30 rolls.
We
40
can't
rolls.
disclose speed because this ticket is still pending.
Oh yeah, we weren't
but-
even speeding yet.
Yeah, we weren't even speed. We were doing a pretty good rate of speed that may or may not have been legal. We'll just put it like that.
Also, if anyone wants to donate a radar detector,
Yeah, he needs one. He needs one. I might need one when I boost in the auto, but
boosting me out.
Yeah.
What?
that's it for this one, guys.
Lucky, and more
Yep.
videos coming soon.
Peace.